everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep. It's December 6th and another product release Friday for you all. This week, we got two things on the docket. First up is managing automated timers based off of work order status changes within settings. This is just giving you more control of when you want to start those timers, when you start work orders, and when you pause them. The second thing is creating new assets directly within the work order create and edit screens without needing to exit the page. Just making it much, much easier for you to get your job done faster, easier, and more effectively. I'm going to pass the baton over to Hannah to show you exactly how it works directly in UpKeep. Let us know what you think. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Hannah, and I'm a product manager here at UpKeep. For today, we have two new features to go over. The first one is automated timers and giving you more flexibility in settings to decide what you want to do with that. The second one is create assets, being able to create assets more easily on the fly when you're inside of a work order. So going to the first one, as you may recall, a few weeks ago, we released a feature where when you update a work order status, the timer automatically starts or stops. And the goal of it was to help people get more engaged with our timer functionality. But as we've gotten some feedback around it, we've learned that you want a little bit more flexibility and control into when you want timers to be automated and when you don't. And so today, as a full admin, you can manage that yourself. So you can go into settings and then go into work orders. And by default, this is off, meaning that by default, whatever changes you're used to, that's what you have. However, if you're one of the customers where you want the timers to be automated based on the status of the work order, you can do so right here under this toggle. Automatically update timer based on work order status changes. So this is off by automation, but if you want it on, you can turn it on. And then this way, when you change the status of a work order, the timer will change automatically with the status. And then for the second feature we have, it's create assets. So generally right now, if you have the option and the ability to create an asset, you'll have to do that with an assets page here. We want to make it easier so that when you're inside of work orders and you're creating a work order and you don't have an asset, you'll be able to create one directly within this page here. So let's say new asset. So new asset doesn't exist today. So I can just hit create new asset. And then now the new asset is created. And then this way I won't be disrupted when I'm creating an existing work order. And then whenever I'm ready, I can go to the assets page and then I can see the new asset here and I can fill out more information as needed. And just to note, again, this is only available to you as a feature if you already have the permissions to create an asset inside of UpKeep. No new permissions, this is just making it easier for you. And this also exists on mobile. So let me go to mobile and show you really quick. So I'm in my UpKeep app. I'm going to go and create a work order. So as I'm creating or editing a work order, I can go look at my assets, let's say test asset, and I'll search. Oh, we already have test asset. Let me try test asset 1. So test asset 1 is not currently available as an asset, so I can select create asset. It'll prompt me to fill out the information here. I can submit it. And then now I have test asset 1 under my asset as I'm creating or editing a work order, and I don't have to exit the screen at all. And so please try that feature out and let us know what you think. If there's additional objects that you would like to create inside of existing flows, please do let us know. We're always welcome to more feedback. Thank you so much.